guys, what's up? It's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be really fun to do a little like quarantine college morning routine. So I thought it would just be fun to show you guys like what I do before I have class, like getting up, eating breakfast, and then getting ready for class, and then doing my work. I've been filming like montage clips for you today, but I haven't like actually sat down and talked yet, so this feels really weird. But it's about 9:45 right now. I got up at like 8:10. I think it was 8:10, and that's actually pretty good for me. Normally it's like 8:30, 8:45, but today I just felt like getting a lot done. So I got up at like 8:10, and then I got up and did my little like Jesus devotion time, and then I got up and got breakfast, and then I just got ready and made coffee. Oh, and I also just did my skincare for the day because my skin has been really weird lately. But I don't do that every day. I do that like every other day just because sometimes I don't really feel like it, honestly. But yeah, right now it's almost 10 o'clock and I need to get started on my work because I have a lot of stuff to get done today. Also, I just thought this mug was fitting because it has my school in it, so yeah. And I also wanted to show you guys my outfit because I think it's really important to like actually get ready, even if it's not like really cute clothes, just to like get ready. Because the other day I stayed in sweatpants and a t-shirt the whole day and it was just not good, and I was just like not motivated at all. So let me show you guys my outfit. Sorry if the lighting's a little bad, it's kind of dark in here, but I'm just wearing a really casual outfit. I'm just wearing this like v-neck top. It's just kind of like a grayish top, and I wear it with a lot of things. I'm wearing this cardigan too. It's really cute, but it doesn't really match, but I thought I would wear it because it's so cold out today. It's like 30s, but like with the wind chill it feels like 20, so I thought I'd be warm, and it's really comfy, so that's all that matters. And then these leggings I literally wear in like every vlog. They're these floral leggings from Old Navy, and yeah, they're just super comfortable. And then just slippers, they don't really match, but whatever. And my glasses are just like blue light glasses from Amazon. So yeah, here's my little outfit. So right now it's about 10 o'clock and I am going to start my work. Normally this is about the time I start, or maybe a little bit earlier. And right now I'm gonna do my Spanish. I have this like online portal thing that I have to do like every day. It's pretty easy, it's just kind of a pain. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then I'll update you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later and I just finished my Spanish. That actually took a lot longer than I thought it would, but it's okay, we're still gonna get going. So I just wanted to show you guys my little like schedule slash like planner for the day. I think it's a really good idea to like plan your day the night before. So last night I made my schedule normally just like on my phone, but I just make my schedule on my phone like literally like by hour. Like at 9 o'clock I'll do this, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and just keep going down. But at least it's like a structured schedule, so I can just get up and start and just look at my checklist and get going. And then yesterday I was just getting a little stressed out with all the assignments I had, and they're all just kind of like jumbled in my head. So either I'll put those in my planner, but recently I've been just making a big Google Doc with like each day of the week and like each assignment that I want to get done, so everything's not just like scattered in my brain. So I wanted to show you guys. So I made this yesterday. It's so helpful. So basically it's just like my homework schedule for the week. Today's Wednesday, so I have to do a news writing discussion post that we have every week, and this one is our last one, thank God. And then for algebra, I have a Zoom call later today at 12:15. It's like 10:30 right now. And then I have to do these review questions for a math test I have next week. And then I just did my Spanish. And then for my geography class, I have to watch this like documentary thing and answer some questions that's due on Sunday night, but I really want to just get it done because it's kind of long, so. And then I have like a club meeting tonight on Zoom. So yeah, busy schedule, but I feel like this is so nice just to like keep myself organized, and I just have my whole schedule for the rest of the week. So that's super, super nice. So pretty much I have the exact same things written down here as I did on my laptop. But I also have on here like some things I would like to do today. So I really want to do a workout today. And I'm pretty sure Cassie from Blogilates is doing like a live workout on Instagram today. So I think I'm going to do that. And then I also have to put some laundry away, and I might edit a new video that I filmed the other day. So yeah, here is my little schedule. So right now I think I'm going to do my news writing discussion post. It's like pretty easy. It just kind of takes a little long. And I've gotten kind of used to them because we've written them every week since we've had online classes. So hopefully that shouldn't take that long, maybe like 40 minutes at the most. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go somewhere else though, because sometimes working in my room is not the best idea because I get distracted. So yeah, I think I just need a change of scenery. I literally cannot talk today. I can't even say that. So I'm just gonna go downstairs and find a better place to work, maybe in the basement, or I'm not sure. I'm gonna go see. I would go outside, but it's freezing, so I don't think I can do that today. guys, it's a little bit later. I am about to get on a Zoom call, but I just did my news writing discussion and that took a little longer than I thought, but it's okay. So I have a Zoom call in like 4 minutes, and then it's like an hour long, and then I have a couple more things to do, but not too many. I just made a snack. It's crackers and salsa. It's a weird combo, but it's so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on my Zoom call and I'll update you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? It is a lot later now. It's like almost 2 o'clock. I have not vlogged in a little bit, but basically I just had my Zoom call. It ended at like 1, and then I just took a little lunch break and I forgot to vlog what I was eating, but it's fine. And now I just have to do some math homework because I have a test next week and I need to do the little review session, and it's really long, so I just kind of want to split it up between each day so it's a little easier to get done. And then after that, I think I'm just going to do a workout, and then I'm going to end the vlog, I think, because it's just supposed to be like a morning routine. It's kind of like a morning and afternoon routine, but you get the point. And wow, my hair looks really weird. It looks like it's short from here. What if I cut my hair like this? I would look really weird. But anyways, I'm going to go do my work and I will update you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? I look really rough. I just noticed that. But right now I'm going to pick up, my brother is in 1st grade and he left some books at his school and they're like letting us like go pick them up. So I'm literally just like driving by his school and they're gonna hand me his books. So my mom just asked me to do that because she couldn't come get them. So yeah, I guess it's a nice way to get out, and I'm just gonna jam out to some music. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. Literally just driving by my church because I miss it. I haven't been to church like in person in like a couple weeks and I just miss it. So hey church.